Hi everyone, get ready for legal dictation at the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The present miscellaneous application number 929 of 2020 was earlier listed before this court on 19/05/2020 when the appellants were permitted to deposit rupees 26 crores with the registry of this court by 21/05/2020. With respect to the balance payment of rupees 3 crores 17 lakhs 20,477 only, an extension of 2 months was granted to deposit the said amount in the registry of this court. With respect to prayers of the application, notice was issued to the other parties. In compliance with the order dated 19/05/2020, the appellants deposited rupees 26 crores on 20/05/2020 in the registry of this court. The matter has now come up for hearing with respect to prayer, which reads as under. Direct the respondent numbers 1 and 2 to sign and execute an appropriate share purchase agreement to effectuate the acquisition of Messrs. Good Living Infrastructure Private Limited of the shares held by the respondent number 1 and 2 in the respondent number 3. Mr. Dhruv Mehta, senior advocate appearing for the appellants, submitted that as per the order dated 18/02/2020 passed by this court, Messrs. Good Living Infrastructure Private Limited GLI of the Bhutani Group had agreed to purchase the entire shareholding of the appellants and respondent numbers 1 and 2 in IT Infrastructure Park Private Limited, respondent number 3 company, for a total sale consideration of rupees 99 crores 44 lakhs only. The relevant extract from the said order is set out herein below for ready reference. Messrs. Good Living Infrastructure of the Bhutani Group agreed and undertook to pay rupees 99 crores 44 lakhs for the purchase of the entire shareholding of respondent number 3 IT Infrastructure Park Limited from the appellants and respondent number 1 and 2. GLI void order dated 16/12/2019 was directed to file an affidavit of undertaking that it would be bound by the commitments made before this court. The undertaking was filed by GLI on 10/02/2020, the contents of which are recorded in the order dated 18/02/2020 as Messrs. Good Living Infrastructure Private Limited GLI has also filed an affidavit of undertaking dated 10/02/2020 stating that I am the CEO/Additional Director of Messrs. Good Living Infrastructure Private Limited GLI and have been duly authorized by GLI void resolution of Board of Directors dated 20 December 2019 to give the present undertaking on its behalf. That GLI undertakes to pay a sum of rupees 99 crores 44 lakhs towards the purchase of entire shareholding of IT Infrastructure Park Private Limited, respondent number 3, from the petitioners and Alpha Tiger Cyprus Investment number 2 Limited and Alpha Tiger Cyprus Investment number 3 Limited in order to acquire the sublease of the property bearing plot number 001B situated at sector 140A in Noida district, Gautam Budh Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. That out of total sum of rupees 99 crores 44 lakhs, GLI undertakes to pay the dues payable to Noida amounting to rupees 42 crores 64 lakh 75,477 directly to Noida. In this regard, GLI seeks liberty from this Honorable Court to approach Noida for reschedulement of payment of the above mentioned sum.